Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the rim surface to identify pitting, peeling, or deep scratches so you know which repair path to take. Put on gloves and ventilate the area. Safety prevents mistakes. Once cleaned with a degreaser and rinsed, make sure to remove brake dust and oils with a microfiber cloth. Begin with a wire brush for loose rust, then move immediately to 400 grit sandpaper on damaged areas. This first abrasion evens edges and prepares chrome for filling. You now focus on repairing real damage. Apply a corrosion-resistant metal filler into pitting and depressions because a level surface is essential for a durable chrome finish. Once cured, sand in stages, start coarser and move to 3000 grit, so you remove scratches without creating new ones. This gradation yields a true mirror base. If rust is extensive and you plan full replating, use a chemical chrome stripper carefully. Otherwise, stop at polishing to preserve the original plate. You finish by polishing. Apply chrome polish in small sections and work with a dual-action polisher to restore brilliance. Short bursts and light pressure prevent heat damage. Once shiny, apply a corrosion-inhibiting clear coat or wax to seal the surface and make future cleaning easier. If the chrome is beyond repair or flakes repeatedly, make sure to consider professional electroplating. If problems persist, check for trapped moisture under layers. Dry thoroughly and replace primer before repeating step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.